Hello guys, you are watching Technical Bench YouTube channel and I am Kunal. In this video you can learn about picture tag in HTML5. So let's start. Before using the picture tag in HTML5, we need to know what is picture tag and why we use picture tag in HTML. So, picture tag in HTML5 is an alternate to the img tag in HTML. So, the picture tag will be used in responsive web design where we need specific image that can be displayed on the different size devices according to their screen sizes. So, instead of having one image that can be scaled up or down based on the viewport width, multiple images can be designed for more nicely fit the browser viewport. So now we learn how to use picture tag in HTML. So now we open our text editor. So I'm using here bracket. So as you can see, I'm write the picture tag. So the picture tag holds two tags, one or more source tag and one image tag. So inside the source tag we use src set attribute to provide the source of this image where it is stored. So this media attribute inside the source tag specify the minimum width of 850 pixel. That means this image can only be displayed in the device which has minimum width of 850 pixel or more than 850 pixel. So if a device width is 850 pixel or more, then this logo3.jpg image will be displayed in the device. And we also specify another source tag inside this picture tag. So this logo2.jpg only show if the device size is greater than 700 pixel or in or less than 850 pixel. If the device size in between this 700 and 850, then this logo2.jpg will be displayed in our browser. So this img tag is used to provide backward compatibility for the browser that do not support the picture element, and it is also useful if the none of the source tag is matched with the device size. So now we save this file. Now we open this file. So as you can see, my images in the same folder in which this HTML file does. So I open this picture.html file in Google Chrome. As you can see, by default this image will be displayed in the web page, but when I change the size of this browser window, the image will be changed automatically. So I'm changing this browser window. So as you can see, the image can change automatically according to the device size. So if I further reduce the size of this browser window, this image can be changed. So this is the power of this picture tag. It is very useful in the responsive web design where we need specific images for different devices. So in this video we can learn about the picture tag in HTML5. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you have any query, write in the comment section. And if you do not subscribe the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon for latest video updates. Thank you very much.